What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and I've got a question for you. Do you have multiple devices that you use every day that needs to be charged up? And do you use different cables to charge up each one of those devices? If you answered yes to that question, you're definitely going to want to take a look at this cable. This is the Ifmars Magic Cable. Basically what it does is it takes one cable directly from your power adapter and turns it into 3 different cables to charge multiple devices all at one time. It also has a built-in chip that determines which device needs the most power and routes the power directly to that device. Now there are also multiple different configurations that you can choose from. The configuration that I chose was 2 lightning cables to 1 USB Type-C because I do have an Apple Watch, an iPhone, and I also have a MacBook Pro. And you also don't just have to be limited to Apple devices. You can charge up any device that uses these tips. It also has micro USB tips that you can use, so they pretty much have you covered for any device you're going to need to charge up. And as you can see here, I have my Samsung Galaxy tablet, which uses USB Type-C for charging. So as you can see, you're not limited to just Apple devices, and you can use that one tip for multiple things. And like I said before, I do have a MacBook Pro, and it comes with a 140 watt power adapter that you can easily use to charge up your MacBook Pro along with all your other devices using this magic cable. Now I'm also sure you've seen some of these power banks and power stations which do have multiple inputs, but you're still going to need multiple cables to use these with multiple devices. And that's the beautiful thing about the Ifmars Magic Cable, is that you can use one power adapter with multiple devices because it has the 3 cables all in one. So if you're traveling or anything like that, you don't need to carry around multiple charging cables, multiple power adapters. You just need this one cable, one power adapter, and you can charge up all your devices. So you can pretty much use any power adapter you want. You just need to make sure you have enough wattage to power all the devices you're going to be plugging in. So I'm going to be powering up my tablet, my Apple Watch, and my iPhone all at once, and that's plenty to be used with the 140 watt power adapter. So all you need to do is plug in the USB Type-C into the power adapter, plug it in. You'll notice that it does have a little white LED right up at the top here. It will turn green once you plug something into it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 1 USB Type-C cable and plug it directly into my tablet here. Now unfortunately my tablet only does fast charging, so if we want something quicker than that, we're going to have to use something like my Galaxy S22 Ultra. And then I'm going to take the 20 watt power lightning cable and plug that into my iPhone. Now they also do sell this really cool little power adapter for your Apple Watch, and it works with every Apple Watch ever made. It has a lightning port input in it, and it also has like a little lanyard you can attach to hanging on whatever you want. So all you need to do is take the lowest power cable, which is the 12 watts, plug that in, and then you can charge up your Apple Watch. Now in case you're wondering, this cable is capable of doing 100 watts max. So if you have that USB Type-C plugged into your MacBook Pro and it's at 0%, you should be able to charge it up to 100 in around 2 hours using a 100 watt power adapter. Now this cable also supports multiple charging protocols such as Power Delivery 3.0, PPS, Quick Charge 3.0, and super fast charging. It also takes all of the guesswork out of it for you, so as soon as you plug in the cable into the device, it automatically adjusts to that device's charging protocol for you. The cable is also made out of a really nice material, and it's covered in this braided nylon, so you don't have to worry about it kinking, cracking, and it should last you a long time. So if you guys liked the video and you found it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will also be putting a link in the description for this cable in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. And if you do end up picking this up, definitely let me know in the comments below why you did and what you're going to use it for. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.